You doing a skid on me? We just pulled up out to Will's parents' place. We've got a little bit of a track already cut in. Let's go, Mr. Factory. Pulled up. Damn, she's still looking fresh. Ooh. Yeah, don't embarrass yourself there, bud. The barrel. So we're at the track. Got two different run-ins to this tabletop. That's where the actual track goes, down through here. Come up, line you up for this big tabletop. Go up the lip. She's a big old tabletop.
No, stop. No.
What?
No, it's slow. You can go now.
You're a fuckhead. The back of that tabletop. Hit this little gap up top. Land up here, then hit this roller. You nearly get thrown over the bars. You go down, jump into the gully, and jump out. The Factory on his CR build. Damn, check this thing out. She clean as fuck. Yeah. Oh, let's go right. That was tough. That was tough. He's like full everything. Oh, not the nuts! Not the nuts! Mr. Factory, 300 piece from 2 vids ago, pulled up and he's fucked up, boys. Should we throw him down here? We'll throw you down here. Let's go. Rhino's thinking about jumping from that fucking up ramp all the way over there into that. That's huge. That's the lip right there. That's the lip.
What are you thinking about hitting it, eh?
Yeah, I think he's gonna do it.
That's where you're supposed to land.
Yeah.
I was told Dad to stop being a bitch. Oh! Oh! Fuck! Up! Oh, choice that, sorry.
Dude, you went you! See, factory hit something. Yeah!
That's the license for that shit. That's fine.
You need an airplane license, cunt. You're fucking flying.
Where was I landed? That fucking...
You like landing right here.
Why am I making that
Oh, no. Bono's going huge for the milfs.
booted me for...
Pussy, I'll show you how to do it.
Little factory.
No, you're hitting them real good then. Watch this come. Bro, what the fuck? Bam Bam just pulled up, but he's got cleaned out. Yeah, Bam Bam. Bat just pulled up. We've got all the FGs over there. He's got the 125 out today. We'll see what he can do. Oh, 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 oh. Factory. Yeah. Let's go, J-Bat. On the 125, he's trying to size her up. That one's tough. Yeah, you're getting out. Looks tough. Getting out. Looks tough. Dude, this kid's professional. Just wanted to make Come on, crank it. Fuck! God! Dude, I thought you were dying. I thought you were coming off. For sure. Yeah, now you got it. Oh!
What was that?
That's that stump. Bono's hooking up the fucking jumper cables. Will's got a flat battery.
He's gonna have the door open.
You left it open. Go. Hello.
Turn your lights off. Off. I'm fucking turning that off. Go.
Rev it, rev it.
Fucking taking it. The car's not doing fucking anything.
Alright, we're fucking stranded, aren't we, Bronson? Got it going. Bet. Alright, we're out, boys. Hope you enjoyed.
See you on the next one. Like and subscribe.